Okay, forward. Okay. Bisoy, ready na kayo forward and up?
Yes sir, forward sir, ready sir.
Okay, bira nyo lang headline nyo, permi spring.
Bira pro sir, headline.
Okay.
Lights on deck, propellers sir.
Okay, up. Thank you very much. Bale, pa low tide, palabas.
Palabas yung sir, palabas. Low tide tayo.
Hanggang alas 6.
Hanggang alas 6 sir.
Okay.
Wala na sa alas 6.
Oo.
Headline.
Okay. Monitor mo lang yung ano yung distansya mo sa buwa.
Roger sir, copy.
Okay. Andiyan na si ano sa just in case lang si kwarto sa about thruster.
Roger sir, nandito na sir.
Okay. Yan, alis na naman tayo. Binira yung headline natin, tapos perme yung spring. Tapos bira tayo kadina. Tapos yung rudder na to, i-hard starboard natin para hindi tayo papaling dito. Pero nandyan mas Benji, ilagay natin sa starboard, hindi lang natin sa kabila. Dito lang starboard, tulak-tulak lang siya. Pabukahin lang natin yung proa. Mga 15 degree or more or less, ganyan lang. Basta hindi lang mabangga yung bulbous bow. Tapos perme spring. Tapos mamaya libre na atras tayo. Mga ilang meters na ngayon, proa?
Sir, 2 meters sir.
Okay. Ngayon, pa high tide. Pa low tide para palabas. Kaya ibuka tayo dyan. Tapos yung hangin sa awa na Panginoon, ano siya, slack. Hindi.
1.5 sir, 1.5.
Okay, 1.5. Thank you. Isaran mo muna yung spring mo, pro. Masyadong maluwag.
Roger sir, bira.
Okay.
1 meter.
1 meter. Yan, 1 meter na lang. Lapit na ganyan yan, 1 meter. Tapos bira to, shackle lang yung area natin para mapigilan tayo ba. Importante talaga may angkla. Importante masanay ka may angkla.
Half meter.
Half meter, okay. Biso malapit na mag-kiss.
Roger sir.
Okay.
30.
Okay. Sige, area nyo na headline nyo, pro.
Area headline.
Okay. Sabay nyo, bira kadina.
Sabay bira kadena.
Okay. Yan, area natin headline, bira kadina.
Pusing nga sa starboard sir.
Okay. Para mo na pushing, J.
Para.
Okay, thank you. Nagbira na kayo ng kadina?
Roger sir, sabay na sir.
Okay. Ayan, tulak na si Benji dito. Yun, dito siya tulak-tulak. Buka lang natin. Pero kahit ano-ano diskarte nyo, depende sa inyo sa kung ano diskarte nyo. Kanya-kanyang diskarte. Sa importante, safety lang. Langin sa Panginoon Diyos. Medyo maulan, medyo mainit na. Kanina maulan. Okay, bira lang Paul kanina.
Sir, 6 o'clock, long stay.
Okay. Ano yon pro? Yung huling message mo? Naputol.
Long stay sir, long stay.
Okay. Balito ani hap, shackle na area mo.
Roger sir, 2 kalahati. Bigay nga pa lang sir.
Okay. Long stay, okay. Atras yan. Dapat kabisado mo yung yung angkla, direksyon ng angkla. Importante yan, lalo na wala kang tugboat, wala kang bow thruster. May tugboat ka man or sa wala, may pilot or sa wala, angkla talaga importante. Kahit may bow thruster ka, importante may angkla. Yan lang, i-share lang yung experience namin sa dito sa domestic, pero sa malalaking barko wala na yan. May pilot talaga, may malalaking tugboat. Dito lang sa domestic yung maliliit katulad namin. Wala talaga mga yan. Wala mga pilot. Pero masanay ka pa matagalan. Ngayon, nila na.
Chain leading sir, 6 o'clock, medium stay.
6 o'clock, medium stay. Lumabas na to shackle.
Yes sir, to on deck na sir.
On deck. Okay. Layo pala yung natrasan natin. Ay, nabantihan.
Roger sir, malayo.
Okay. Pwede nyo na area nyo yung spring nyo, pro, ha?
Roger sir, pwede na area spring.
Okay, area nyo na lang.
Up again, Bullard 11, distance 15 meters.
Okay, up. Thank you very much.
For spring.
Okay, copy up. Copy forward. Midship rudder. Midship rudder.
Chain leading sir, 9 o'clock, long stay.
9 o'clock, long stay. Okay. O'clock na siya, long stay, nakaganyan na yung kadina niya. Tapos yung proa mo, tingin tas proa, tapos dito. Yan. Abim sa bridge mo. Yung malalaking barko, mabilis yan umabanti. Matagal pa bantihin, matagal ipapigilin yan. Kapag mabanti niyan, tagalin niya tigilin.
Starboard sir.
Okay.
Chain leading, 10 o'clock, long stay.
10 o'clock, long stay. Okay.
Up abim, ramp number 1, distance 15 meters.
Okay, copy up. Thank you very much.
Bridge forward, 1 on deck.
1 on deck, okay. Bisoy, half shackle na.
Roger sir.
Okay. Ayan, tulak tas binji. Yung barko, dito pareho ng sasakyan na may brake. Walang brake yung barko. Kaya gamitin mo na lahat, rudder.
10 o'clock,
Mo.
long stay.
Okay, 10 o'clock, long stay. Gamitin mo lahat yung rudder, tapos timon. Rudder, yung propeller, abante, ahead. Yan, lapit na mag-anchor sa weight. 1 shackle na lang. Pag mag-half shackle, i-drag natin yan. Dandahan, ganyan.
Half shuttle sir, half shuttle.
Okay, thank you. Je, para natulak, Je. Distansya ka na, Je. Okay, thank you. Hardport.
Hardport.
Chain leading sir, going up and down.
Okay, thank you. Yan, atras na tayo.
Hardport lang,
Okay, thank you. Dead slow astern.
Distance to breakwater, port side 70 meters.
Okay, thank you. Monitor lang sa Bigwater. Ako pa doon sa kabila.
Sir, sa pabor sir.
Oh, thank you. Hardport, ha?
Anchor away, anchor away.
Okay, anchor away. Thank you.
Sa may fishing boat dito sa port departure.
Okay, thank you. Up thrust to port.
Anchor sighted.
Okay, anchor sighted. Okay.
Up, passing clear to fishing boat sa port quarter sir. Distance sa breakwater is 90 meters, 90.
Okay, thank you.
Kasi kailangan sir.
Oo.
2.3 speed sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Full thrust to port.
Full thrust to port.
Stop engine.
Stop again.
Hard port.
Hard port.
Okay, thank you. Gumana yung bow thruster. Ha?
Roger sir, nagana sir.
Dead slow ahead.
Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Oo. Yan, 5 boat na tayo ganyan likod. Okay. Tandaan na tayo 5 boat ganyan. 2.8, thank you.
1.8 speed chair.
1.8. Jay, maraming salamat sa iyong pag-assist, Jay. Gandang hapon, Jay. Bye-bye. Oh. Stop, thrust.
Stop thrust.
Okay, Jay, thank you.
Thrust stop chair.
Okay. Midship rudder.
Yes, brother. 2.3 speed chair.
Okay. Midship rudder, ha?
Brother. Thank you, brother.
Oh, steady.
Steady.
Banti na tayo. Nothing to starboard, ha? Steady. Okay.
Speed chair, steady.
Steady, ha? Nothing to starboard.
0 speed, 4 chair, steady.
Okay. Nothing to starboard, steady.
Steady.
Pag steady, nothing to starboard, huwag kang ganyan na. Okay, thank you. Starboard 5.
Starboard 5. 5 knots.
Okay.
Starboard 5. Brother, sir.
Okay, thank you. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 15.
Starboard 15. Starboard 15, brother, sir.
Okay, thank you.
6.3 speed chair.
Okay, midships.
Hey, Kev. Thank you, brother,
Oh,
sir.
steady.
Steady.
Yan. Dito na tayo sa breakwater. Slow ahead, please.
Zero, sir.
Okay, thank you. Slow ahead.
Go ahead.
Ito yung breakwater. Yan. Breakwater yan. Diyan mag
Forward sir, anchor home.
okay, anchor home, thank you.
Go ahead.
Diyan mag-exercise yung mga customer.
Passing breakwater sir, forward.
Okay, thank you. Yan, dito tayo yan, oh. Mabanti na tayo. Up, up ahead, please.
Go ahead.
Breakwater port side.
Kita, my chair.
Okay, thank you. Tapos full ahead na natin. Full ahead na tayo. Tapos rang up. Okay, up. Thank you very much. Full ahead, please.
Chair.
Full ahead.
Go ahead.
Tapos rang up. Tapos secure debriefing forward and up. Forward and up. Secure debriefing forward and up. Thank you, dismiss.
Yes sir, secure intake, forward and up.
Okay. Yan. Salamat. God bless. Rang up. Finish na bow thrust. Klaro ha kung patay na ba yung bow thruster?
Roger sir, copy.
Okay, thank you.